Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive Protected. My name is Eric. Here we have this beautiful 2013 Lamborghini Gallardo. It's the LP550-2. In this video, we're going to be getting ready to do a full vehicle paint protection film wrap on, but first we have to wash it, so let's get into it. So we're about to get started on the wash. We're going to be using our own Drive Protected line of cleaners. We got the Amped all-purpose cleaner. This is going to be used to remove all the bug guts, road tar, any kind of bird droppings, that kind of contamination that's on the vehicle. We'll be using that first. Next up, we're going to be using our megawatt foam soap. This is going to help loosen up all the other dirt and debris that may be on the paint, and it's going to help get the surface nice and clean. Last thing we're going to be using is our circuit iron remover. This is going to help lift up and dissolve any embedded iron contamination that's stuck on the paint, because at the end of the day, we're sealing it with paint protection film. We don't want to be sealing anything underneath the film that could potentially cause the vehicle to rust. Lamborghini wash has been complete. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a bit of a recap of what we did. We used our Amped all-purpose cleaner to loosen up and soften up all the bug guts, bird droppings, that type of stuff off the paint. We also used it to scrub down the wheels as well too. We used our megawatt foam soap, foam the whole car down and help loosen up any other kind of dirt or debris that's on the vehicle before we wiped it down with a microfiber towel. Last thing we used was our circuit iron remover to remove any embedded brake dust, iron contamination, that type of stuff that was embedded in the paint. Now the paint is ready to be wrapped. Those products, if you're interested in buying those, will have links with a discount code in the description of this video where you can save yourself a few bucks on them if you guys want to. Since the front end is already wrapped, we're not going to be touching that. We'll be doing some trimming just to kind of clean the PPF up that has already been installed, but we're going to be doing a full install video on how to install PPF on the mirrors, the doors, the roof, the A-pillars, the engine lid, the rear fenders, and the rear bumper. So lots and lots of content for this Lamborghini coming. Where we're from in southern Manitoba, Canada, these cars do not exist, so this is truly a rare vehicle to get in our shop. Maybe you're from a large city somewhere in the US or somewhere overseas, and you see these things everywhere and you're wondering what the fuss is about. We don't get to see these cars, so we're gonna exploit this car for all we can. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more Lamborghini PPF content coming your way.